Hey everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your sent message on Messenger. You can see here that is he has sent me a lot of messages and he also edited those. Right now I will show you how you can do this easily. For doing this, just you have to text your friend. Suppose I'm going to text him. You can see here that is I wrote such a thing and I have sent it. Right now I will edit those messages. For doing this, just click on here on the message, then just click on here three dot line. So before going to the process, I am going to ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Then click on here three dot line. Right now you can find here all the options: fast forward, edit, bump and remove. So click on here edit option. Right now you can edit those. Suppose I'm going to edit here, I have done. Alright, then click on here OK. Right now you can see here this text has been edited. So that way you can send a lot of messages and number of messages you can edit here. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Thank you.